Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your boy named Jaquan Mochery. What we're doing right now, I'm going to show you how to build a funnel from scratch. And yes, I am promoting this product called Home Doctor. And this is Digistore24. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button as well, so that way you'll be notified when I be talking about how to make money as an affiliate, or what is affiliate marketing does for you. Okay? And how you can start making passive income without any experience needed. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So what I'm about to do right now, I'm about to change this image right now. See if I can change this image real quick. One second, hold on. Let me see something. Sorry about that, guys. Let me see something here. So this is what I'm doing right now. So let me go here real quick. Let me just copy something. Copy this, save this. On Doctor. Okay, we save that. Okay, and then we're gonna replace this. Replace it real quick. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. So now we got this looking good. So now we can take some of this stuff off. We can take some of this stuff off. We don't need this no more. We definitely don't need this right now. All right. So now what we got here. So now we can change the layer. We could change some of the. We're gonna change some of the effects. Change some of the effects right now. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna change this, and we're gonna come up here. We're gonna copy this. Copy this. Come back here. Bam. Okay. I think this one should be red. Red, right? And change this color to red. Okay. I think this one should be bold. Okay. All right. So now we got that out the way. So now what we can do here, please type in please type in your first name. Last name now. All right, so we got that going. So, all right, so that looks more professional. Put that in bold. And then this one should be black. No, this one should be black. Got it. All right, so now we're done with that. So what we're gonna do, right? We're going to say something like, get my copy. we might want to change the little button a little bit. Change the button color. Okay, we want to change it to like. We could change it to like green or something. Okay, and boom, there we go. Boom, right there. All right, so that's how we do it. So guys, if you want to like, if you don't know how to build, if you don't know how to build a funnel from scratch, I teach you on my another video. Okay, that's gonna be for the next time. So I'm gonna save this. Actually, what I want to do, hold on, I want to save the background. Change the background color. The background's gonna be. I'll leave it at. Let's see. The background. No. All right. So there we go. So that's how you do it. All right, guys. All right. So now go exit out of here. So now we're gonna test this out real quick. Test it out. It's gonna take me directly here. There we go. So guys, if you want to learn more about how to make money as an affiliate, please like this video, share this video, and make sure you hit that subscribe button so every time when I be uploaded another video, you'll be notified. That way you'll start, seeing latest videos. All right. So until next time, I'll see you guys later.